What's up, guys? Welcome back to LJ Gamers. Today, we are here with my friend Crew.
Hello.
And as you all know, for me, school is tomorrow. So we are playing Escape School Obby. So let's just go get right into it.
Okay, I'm
Hi, I'm Max. And I'm gonna go help you escape. We need to pull a lever to open this laser door.
I got it.
Okay.
It won't work. Someone else took it.
Yeah, Max looks
Oh,
creepy.
it worked.
Max
Okay,
looks
go.
creepy.
Go.
Go.
Oh.
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 Okay.
Gosh.
Checkpoint.
Checkpoint.
Wow, look, there's lava here. Be careful. Okie dokie then.
Okay, wait for me.
Oh, jeez. Did you die, Crew?
I died already, like on the first
No!
one.
No, I died.
At least I got the checkpoint. That's good.
Yeah, so as you can see, we all suck at parkour.
No, no, do.
Crew, did you make it? Where are you?
Including me.
I am still at the beginning. Hold on. Okay.
Okay, I made it.
suck.
Oh!
I
I missed
suck like goose.
Crew, your hand is on the rock.
Yeah, of course.
Ding. Oh my gosh. You can climb it.
Rita!
Yes?
I'm gonna stop my jump.
Oh yeah, Lena. You got this.
Go, Rita.
We all know you don't do obbies that much. So and you're on computer. Oh. Crew! Come on.
Yeah, I was stuck around the bottom.
Okay, let's go, Lena.
Okay.
No, wait for me!
I'm doing it.
Oh.
I'm doing it.
Lena, go.
Okay.
Go.
Is that Sans face?
Oh, you died. No, Lena. Here, I'm going to wait for you right here and just
Okay,
watch
I
it.
am checking out the next room. It looks like it's like acid.
Okay,
I'm
we're
trying
filming.
my best.
Oh, Lena, you're so close. Oh, Lena! Okay, you got this, sis.
Wait, Jackson, wait for me.
You made it! Let's go!
Okay, come on.
Okay.
This is gonna
Oh.
Did Crew make it?
Yeah, Crew made it. Crew, did you get the checkpoint?
Yeah, I'm up here.
Lena, are you coming? Yeah. Okay, there you are.
Okay, we have to. I hate these ones. This one's.
Oh no! I burnt up. I got
I'm getting it first try.
Go Crow!
That's my big
Carrot top.
head.
Bro, this guy's trying to mess me up. Ha! Now he died.
I shrunk. I
Yeah,
shrunk and then
try.
died. Jax, you made me die. You in the way.
Come on, Jackson.
You suck.
I'm coming. Oh jeez.
Yes, Jackson.
I shrunk.
Okay, come on,
Shrunk
sis.
like a tiny baby.
Be very careful.
I'm gonna.
I'm zooming in on me now.
Oh.
I like these suits are sick. It's like,
Lena, no, you jump there.
Oh.
You don't go into the wall. I got a bang, 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 bang.
hold on, I need to test this out. Oh, Jackson, I just completely hacked the game.
Oh,
You know, you just need that jump done.
okay, let me try again.
Dragon.
This is the last time I'm gonna try.
Okay.
Wait, does this? Oh, this camera actually follows me.
Wallow.
Jackson,
What?
turn around.
Turn around?
Yeah, look at this
What?
camera.
Oh.
Oh my gosh, it does. That is insane. Oh, look at me go. Go, Lena.
Oh, I touched that single point.
Here, let me do it for you.
Okay.
Listen, shop, super jump, grapple gun, portal gun, lightsaber, giant head, jetpack, tiny mode, giant meat, fun car.
Bruh.
Alright.
Yeah, I made it.
Okay, Okay.
Yay, Lena made it.
No, I did it for you.
Okay, guys, watch this. Watch this. You come on this thing. It's like an easier way, and then you walk across.
Or you could
And
actually do it.
No, whatever. Did it anyway.
I died.
Wait, I feel like you can do this one. This one's easy. Come on.
I know.
Like how this guy has an afro.
I can do
I
it.
want to see his afro.
Ooh. Where?
Come inside. Look, my foot was in his afro. Oh no! Wait, oh yeah, see, it's inside.
My foot was in his afro. Go, Lena. Go, Lena. Oh.
Okay, I'm just doing another way. Creep.
Okay. Try the way Crew did it. No! See? Do it regular, because...
Okay, I'm gonna try again.
Okay, nice.
Get the first one.
Nice.
Second.
No! Lena, you got too close. Okay.
Wait, how much stages are there? Oh, we're at 4, and people are at 29.
Oh,
What?
Okay, come on. Art room.
finally I made it!
Oh, wait.
Oh, is this the art room? I love art.
Okay, checkpoint.
Oh! Oh my gosh.
Did you
That's
get the
scary.
checkpoint, Crew?
Yeah. Okay, I made it.
I died in acid.
This is easy, yeah, boy.
Guys, subscribe to Dennis.
I already am, I think. No! Subscribe to PewDiePie!
Yeah.
And unsubscribe to T-Series.
No, you can't make that jump, Lena. Oh,
You
Go
walk on the
fast.
pencil.
come on. Nice.
Now,
You don't.
whatever
Not
that
yet.
is. Okay, now the eraser. Lena, you didn't even jump!
I suck like
Come on, Lena.
Also,
Exactly.
guys, go subscribe to Fat Pat. Yeah, his YouTube channel.
Go subscribe to who?
Fat Pats. He made this map. Or thingy.
Subscribe to
Yeah.
who? Fat Pats? Oh, Fat Paps. Okay, how about I put it in the link? How about I put the link in the description?
Yeah. Okay,
Subscribe to Splashy on in the description, and find the code in any video to open the door. What do you mean?
What? Do you have to do
I'm not going there. The doors are locked. We must hide somewhere before the teachers find us here. And I fell out of the world.
Okay, I'm not going in there. I just saw Jack's fall.
Go
Ooh.
Oh my gosh. How am I supposed... Crew, go to a video.
No, because then I'll get, like, if I go to
I'm
a
gonna
video,
get killed by that vending machine.
Okay, I'm gonna go to YouTube. Wait,
no, use your
what's the guy's channel?
Splashy.
Splashy.
And in his description is the code.
Oh, it's right here.
Okay, tell me it.
It's right there.
Okay. First, we need to stage 6. Okay, we're on stage 6. Okay, Splashy. Oh, no, this is Blue Wolf Gaming, but still telling us the code. Oh! No, I just missed it. He was typing it in. No, I missed it again. Oh my gosh. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Okay.
Of course it's that.
Oh my gosh.
What do you? 1, 2,
I need to fix this.
4, 5, 6, 7.
Did it work?
Yeah, I got it. It says green.
6,
Okay, I got it.
7.
Okay,
It's open.
I got it too.
I'm fixing my angle. Okay.
Imagine it's another door to nothing.
Then it's like, go watch Poke. Or go watch LJ
Oh my gosh,
Gamers.
What is that?
I just got a splashy coin.
What?
It's in there.
We're trapped in here. Wait, is this an elevator? What is this?
Oh, a splashy coin.
I want
I
to
got a
I got
splashy coin.
Give me one.
We're trapped.
Are we?
Can we go, please?
Dude, move. I need a splashy coin. Yes, I got one.
I want another splashy coin.
Check all the walls if you can run through them.
Splashy coin. Got one.
Or are we just
This-
trapped?
No, because people.
Is this
are
game
on-
rigged?
Huh?
Is this game rigged?
Because people are on stage 7s. This has to be like an elevator. That could just leave.
We're trapped.
How do
Did
I...
we not escape school? I mean,
Someone reset. Someone reset.
okay. I reset.
Where'd you go?
I am back here.
And
Here.
what?
I'm gonna go jump out of the world again. Hold on.
This is so hard. What the heck?
Guys! Reset! The refrigerator!
Oh. I totally.
Go
I
into
totally-
the kitchen place. Yes, in there.
Wait, hold on.
Crew, are you coming?
Yeah,
The
wait, where?
refrigerator! Go, Lena, go. Tell us where it takes you. Oh, okay, I'm going in.
It takes me
I'm here.
into a place where I've never been before.
I can't go in. What the? Oh, yeah. Oh, we're inside
Okay,
the refrigerator.
We're in the refrigerator.
There's ice cubes.
Okay, now where should I... Oh, there's a
Hey.
ladder.
The screen didn't turn.
Guys, you coming?
Yeah, hold on.
I'm up.
How are we jumping on ice, but we can't fall on the other ice?
How? Just how many
What is this?
But we're gonna have to end the video soon, Lena.
Okay, fine. Okay, I'm gonna try again.
What is this? What is this off-brand?
I made it. I made it.
Okay, crew, wait up there.
I'm not-
Okay, guys, I think we're gonna have to end it here. We will make another video doing the other half of this obby. So, if you enjoyed the video, don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button
And we'll see you all next time.
and ring
Bye.
the bell. And we'll see you all next time.
Bye.
Bye.